Going to get an engine for the Mustang. Well, look who it is. What's going on, bub?
Delicate Dave.
Delicate? Ooh, getting the scruff going.
How about delicious?
That's not...
Dangerous?
I like dangerous.
Diabolical.
I like that one too.
I'd say I'm out.
Supposed to be nervous. Well, we made it. Well, where we pick up the engine from. Mustang. Oh, shall we go in? That's pretty original.
The only problem is, I don't know if there's going to be a good enough spot on those lines, because they're just corroded. So we could start cutting here, cutting there, cutting here, cutting there, and it could end up to the point where there is just nothing left that we can actually cap. Right? So
Well,
basically it's a plumb. So what we want to do is kind of put a cap over top, right? So with that,
you see the back tire?
No transmission.
Yeah. I think she's been here for a little while. Oh look, there's a trunk. Rear end's gone out of it, most of the interior. T-roof. That'll be what, 85? 86, that'd be an 86. Jeepers. Nice.
You don't want to throw it out because you might need it, right? So just stop.
Ow. Wow. It still has a factory airbox. That was one of the first things that usually went. You pull that out and bump up the timing. Geez, those are big engines. Cool. She can go down. She can go down another couple inches. There you go. Oh, jeez. Perfect. This is a nice size in here, actually. You know that? It's got perfect amount of room. Now this washing machine is built for speed. That is awesome. Holy mackerel, look at this!
That's the fun toy.
I love it. Stacy will likely love this too. How long have you had this? Why'd you buy it? Just because, right?
Shits and giggles when we had car shows and cruise nights.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Again.
Oh.
It's a shits and giggles car.
Yep.
PS2 TV.
That is wicked. Car inspected by Cooter at the Hazard County Garage. That is slick.
Yep, standalone
Oh,
system.
jeez. Yeah. Wow. That's pretty wicked.
Kids love it.
Hopefully you'll be able to take it out this year.
Yeah, you know what? I put it up for sale because who knows? Right?
That's a nice one, eh? Wow. And we're gonna go Johnny's Hamburgers, get something to eat. And what did we get, Bob?
Steak on a Kaiser. Sorry, I might have a little dribble.
No, you're good. Can't go to Toronto without we're at Johnny's. Well, that's what the engine's going in. So that one, I think a rod bolt broke. It's got a few miles on it though, so looks like a rod bolt broke in it, but it's in good shape. Like I say, I'll end up driving it myself. But I'll have a little fun with it. And I think I'm gonna get rid of my Corolla. So I'm not putting this thing in myself. It's too much right here. So I got a guy, he's pretty good. He's gonna look after it for me. But like I say, it's a 2002 Mustang, really good shape. Should be able to have some fun with it. Well, that's it, guys. Bob and I had our adventure for the day. Pretty good. We missed traffic, which was really nice. Left a little earlier. So anyway, it was pretty fun. Had some good food. Had a lot of laughs. Bob's always fun to go out with. You always have a laugh with Bob. So hopefully get that engine in the next week or so. Got to pick up some gaskets and a few other things. I think I'm going to put a new battery in it. Battery wasn't that good when I got it, and I still don't think it's that hot now, so I think I'll just go ahead and put a battery in. But new plugs, oil change. I got to do. I want a rear and front main seal, and pan gasket and rocker cover gaskets. So there's no problems, and probably a pilot bearing, because the engine that I got wasn't automatic, and it's going into a standard car. So I want to make sure that, you know. Anyway, guys, that's about it. You guys take care. Please be safe.